Hello everyone and welcome to our first session on ReactJS installation. Node.js is a powerful and versatile JavaScript runtime that has revolutionized the way JavaScript is used beyond the browser. Before diving into the installation process, it is beneficial to understand some of the key features of Node.js and the role it plays in the JavaScript environment. Let's look at some of the key features of Node.js. Asynchronous and event-driven. Node.js uses an event-driven, non-blocking input-output model, making it lightweight and efficient. This model is ideal for handling multiple connections simultaneously, which is crucial for building scalable network applications. Single programming language. Node.js allows developers to use JavaScript for both client-side and server-side code. This unification reduces context switching and makes it easier to maintain and understand the codebase. Rich ecosystem. Node.js has a vast library of modules available via NPM or Node Package Manager, which significantly accelerates development by providing reusable code for common functionalities. High performance. Built on the V8 JavaScript engine, Node.js compiles JavaScript to machine code, resulting in fast execution and superior performance. Scalability. Node.js applications can scale horizontally by adding more nodes to the existing system and vertically by leveraging multi-core systems. Community and support. Node.js is supported by a large and active community, which continuously contributes to its growth and improvement. This ensures that developers have access to numerous tutorials, tools, and libraries. Node.js extends the capabilities of JavaScript by enabling it to run on the server side. Traditionally, JavaScript was confined to the browser, used primarily for enhancing user interfaces and handling client-side logic. However, with the advent of Node.js, JavaScript can now be used to build full-stack applications, including server-side logic, APIs, and even command-line tools. In the Node.js environment, JavaScript can interact with the file system, handle HTTP requests and responses, connect to databases, and perform other server-side operations. This makes Node.js a powerful tool for developing a wide range of applications, from simple websites to complex enterprise solutions. Now that we have a basic understanding of Node.js and its role, let's proceed with the installation process on a Windows system. Step 1. Download Node.js installer. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Node.js website. On the home page, you will see two download options: the LTS or long-term support version and the current version. The LTS version is recommended for most users as it is more stable. Click on the LTS version to download the installer. Step 2. Run the installer. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded.msi file to launch the Node.js setup wizard. Follow the setup wizard. Welcome screen. Click Next to proceed. License agreement. Read the license agreement, check the box to accept the terms, and click Next. Destination folder. Choose the default installation directory or specify a different one, then click Next. Custom setup. The default options are suitable for most users. Ensure that the Node.js runtime and NPM package manager options are selected. Click Next. You may be prompted to install additional tools for building native modules. You can choose to install them if needed, but this is optional. Click Next. Click Install to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the setup wizard. Step 3. Verify installation. Open command prompt. Press Win+R, type cmd and press enter to open the command prompt. Type node-v and press enter. You should see the installed version of Node.js printed on the screen, indicating that Node.js is installed correctly. Check npm version. Type npm-v and press enter. This will display the installed version of npm, confirming that it is also installed correctly. Update npm, which is optional. Sometimes the npm version included with Node.js might not be the latest. To update npm, run npm install -g npm. Node.js. Installing Node.js on Windows is a straightforward process that opens up a world of possibilities for JavaScript development. Node.js brings the power of server-side programming to JavaScript, enabling developers to build fast, scalable, and efficient applications using a single programming language. By following the steps outlined above, you can quickly set up Node.js and begin leveraging its extensive features and rich ecosystem to enhance your development projects. Installing React.js using Create React App. React.js is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Create React App is an officially supported way to create single-page React applications with no build configuration. It sets up your development environment so you can use the latest JavaScript features, provides a solid base for your application, and optimizes the build for production. Prerequisites. Ensure you have Node.js installed, as Create React App requires Node greater than or equal to 14.0.0 and npm greater than or equal to 5.6. You can check your Node.js version with node-v and npm version with npm-v. Step 1. Installing Create React App. Open your terminal or command prompt. Run the following command to install Create React App globally. npm install -g create -react -app. Step 2. Creating a new project. Navigate to the directory where you want to create your project. Run the following command, replacing my-app with your desired project name. npx create -react -app my-app. This command initializes a new React application in a directory called my-app. Step 3. Navigate to your project directory. Move into the newly created project directory. cd my-app. Step 4. Start the development server. Start the application by running npm start. This command runs the app in development mode. Open localhost 3000 to view it in the browser. The page will reload if you make edits. You will also see any lint errors in the console. Now your React app template is ready to use. Now let's explore the file structure of the React app. A new Create React App project comes with a predefined structure with the following components. Node_modules folder contains all your npm dependencies. Public folder contains the static files including the main index.html file. src folder contains the React components, styles, tests, and other assets. Index.js file, the JavaScript entry point to your application. App.js file, the main application component. App.css file, the CSS file for styling app.js. Index.css file, global styles for the application. Now let's customize the application according to our requirements. Firstly, we'll start with editing components. Open src bar app.js in your favorite code editor. Modify the render method to change what's displayed on the screen. For example, you can change the default JSX to display Hello World. To add new components, create a new file in the src bar directory. For example, src bar hello.js and write the following code. Import and use this new component in app.js. You can add styles to your components using CSS, SCSS or styled components. Modify app.css or create new CSS files and import them into your components. Now, let's build the app for production. When you're ready to deploy your React application, create an optimized production build by running npm run build. This command creates a build directory with a production build of your app. The build is minified and the file names includes hashes for caching. You can serve the static files using a web server like serve using the following commands. npm install -gserve, serve-s build. This command serves your app on a local server. You can also deploy the contents of the build directory to a static site hosting services like Netlify, Vercel, or GitHub pages. Conclusion. Installing Node.js and setting up a React application using Create React App is a straightforward process that lays the foundation for modern web development. Node.js provides the runtime environment necessary to run JavaScript on the server side, while Create React App offers a streamlined way to kickstart your React projects with minimal configuration. By following these installation steps and understanding the project structure and customization options, you can efficiently develop, test, and deploy robust single-page applications with React. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, these tools enable you to build dynamic and responsive web applications with ease. That's all for this session. Thank you.